Aivita is a clinic focused on precision preventive medicine, regenerative medicine, and anti-aging. We aim to help clients restore a youthful state of body and mind through science and data-driven health management. Avoid the discomforts associated with traditional medical treatments. Our name Aivita combines AI, artificial intelligence, and Vita life, symbolizing our use of AI technology and precise data analysis to provide personalized health evaluations and regenerative medical treatments. Our laboratory specializes in induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSC, biotechnology, offering exclusive family iPSC services, including the creation of unique iPSC cell banks and exosomes for families. iPSCs can revert adult cells back to a state similar to stem cells, allowing them to be used in regenerative medicine or to secrete exosomes that help restore youthfulness. This is different from traditional stem cell storage services, as clients can use cells from their younger selves to address future aging issues, making it a more acceptable option for those uncomfortable with receiving cells from others. Additionally, we place great importance on the quality verification of exosomes to ensure our high-quality services. We understand each client's unique health management needs, which is why we carefully consider various factors, including religious beliefs, dietary habits, and lifestyles, when designing our services. Producing family-specific exosomes means that clients can receive high-quality exosomes that are unique to themselves, without worrying about the risks associated with unknown sources. Our mission is to provide a more personalized and acceptable solution, allowing clients to protect their health while enjoying the maximum benefits of advanced medical technology. Aivita is part of Aivita Health Group, headquartered in Dubai, and is dedicated to global health management and the development of regenerative medicine. Our vision is to integrate advanced medical technologies from around the world to establish a multinational health management platform, providing clients with the highest standards of health services. Aivita is not just a clinic, it is your health partner. We aim to help every client achieve youthfulness and vitality from within, starting a new journey toward better health through precision medicine and personalized health management.